Good day, everyone. The package has come in. Somebody will be getting a nice gift. I had to scratch my. Yes, I know. You're probably seeing the hair coming out. I'll be getting the haircut pretty quick. How about the backdrop I have up here? But anyway, this is the main deal. The package here. Now, most of you might already have one since they came on the market back in the summertime, but in some areas they're still available. Famous Disney wrap. Well, they put a lot of that plastic jobby on it. Use that. You know, they put this in there too. The silica gel. Supposed to keep it dry. Now you got the wrap on it. But here you go. It says it was unisex, but who knows? Somebody will get a nice gift from it. But here's the Epcot 40 bag. There's the tag. See, they shortened up the handles here. They have a cardboard safety in there, so it wouldn't get scratched or dinged. And if you look, it's got, well, it has the metallic metal from Loungefly, and the zipper is the same deal. See right here, you got the badge from Disney Parks, Loungefly, Epcot. Now let's see what they have hiding in here. They have a little round disc in there to keep the shape. Had to check to make sure the teeth are okay. Now for the top half, it's full of paper and wrap to keep that looking good. So if you travel a lot, these are also good. You could put one of those travel locks right on here. So you can put it through checkout at the airport. Not so much on this one, unless you have that large one that can come from here down to here. They all come together. Here's the top. It's just a standard red handle And I already know I told you about the straps. The straps here are purple. So any child, female or male, would like it regardless of their gender. Now if you take a closer look, you can see all the original Epcot signs that were around on property. Here on the front you can see the Epcot. Besides the sign, the Epcot here in capital letters and 40. You can see the stitch work here. I don't know if I mentioned the strap bands. They also have that glossy rainbow, metallic rainbow look to them, just like these did. Okay, now I'll just let you take a look. I'm going to let it go around. So you can see the only place that isn't decorated is this portion right here on the bottom. But it will hold your stuff. You can wear it as a fanny pack, I'm sure, as long as it doesn't exceed the weight. There's the back without the protective seal here on the back. Let's see if I can get that up and over. There. Even more. It's not bad. Anybody who collects Epcot merchandise you can put that in with your collection. They also have the magic band for grabs in there. I did get some of the magic band plus, but I never got around to getting a video made. I'll probably make one of that eventually. But I had the Mickey Mouse with the rainbowed circles, because that seems to be the famous on all the genders. And then I got the dad one. They're all in the luggage, ready to go to one of the local hotels. Pop Century, that's one of them. Animation Studio. Alrighty, if you like this video, put a like to it. As most of you noticed, they took out that dislike button completely out, so there's no dislike button. There is a down arrow, but hopefully you don't press that. But if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You can share the video you can embed the video, so another website or something can share this video out, and then they could share it out to everybody who's watching it, and then I'd still get the credit. And hopefully a lot of you liked the one I just put up the other day that I had a guest at my window. Spoiler alert, if you haven't watched it yet, it was a squirrel. He climbed up to the 3rd floor and looking for something to eat. And he chewed right through that screen like nobody's business. He was doing his own demolition, remodeling. That screen is no more. It's in there. I'm not opening up that window. Far too chilly out there right now. Well, let me just say, you would freeze your coconuts off. Alrighty. Everybody have a good one. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Whatever you're doing, traveling, stay safe.